Should a pop-up drink stand offer employee bonuses? Yes, a pop-up drink stand should absolutely offer employee bonuses, especially small performance-based ones tied to sales, speed, or customer reviews, because it keeps workers motivated during short, high-pressure shifts. Here's the thing most people running a pop-up stand never think about. Bonuses do not have to be big cash payouts to work. Something as simple as an extra $10 for hitting a sales goal in one afternoon or a free meal after a busy weekend can boost morale in a huge way. Pop-up stands run on energy and speed, so when workers feel appreciated in the moment, they move faster and smile more, which customers absolutely notice. A trick a lot of successful stand owners use is called a same-day bonus, where you pay out a small reward right at the end of the shift instead of waiting for a paycheck. This creates an instant reward feeling in the brain, almost like a game, and it makes employees want to come back and work harder the next time. It sounds simple, but instant rewards work way better than delayed ones for short-term gigs like this. One common mistake is making bonuses too complicated, with confusing point systems that employees cannot even track during a busy rush. Keep it simple, like one clear goal per shift. Another issue is only rewarding the fastest or loudest seller, which can make quieter employees feel ignored even if they are doing great work behind the scenes. A good fix is to rotate bonus categories like teamwork or cleanliness, so everyone has a fair shot. Lastly, owners sometimes forget to explain the bonus clearly before the shift starts, which causes confusion later, so always announce it out loud at the beginning of the day. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.